Hey, welcome back to Flawedoffroad. Today is day 3 at Southern Missouri Offroad Ranch. It's really sloppy because it rained most of the night, and it's going to be a mess today. It's going to be fun.
Try it again. For someone else. You're the spotter, man. I thought he had it.
Let's do this. So we're gonna start off day 3 by hitting Comanche Hollow and hitting some other trails I really don't know. I'm not the nav, I'm the tail gunner. So let's see what kind of trouble we can get into here. Oh, they stopped up here, so we're gonna see what's going on.
There's a big can opener right here. We just gotta skip it. Rick can try it. Somebody with wide axles could maybe go over top of it. But
It needs to be 2 feet wider than Dan's.
kind of a bad spot. What do you think? I think it washed out last night.
I think
I think it got dug out.
Everybody decided they didn't want to try to get the side of their Jeep sliced open by that when sliding around in this mud hole. So yeah, we're gonna go around that one. It doesn't look that bad, but I don't think anybody wants to get torn up 5 minutes into the trail. So it's Sunday morning and we woke up with a campground full of people. But with all the rain that we got, pretty much the entire campground cleared out. There was literally us and one other group, and we had the whole parks to ourselves today. Alright, so now we're gonna hit up this trail. I think it's called Cold Mountain. I don't know nothing about it really. We're just gonna find out the fun way.
Line. Here you come. Whoa! Get passenger. Hold up a second. Let me look what your other side's doing. I think you're okay. Is that all the passenger you got? Okay. Stay passenger. Now go driver.
This thing doesn't look very menacing on camera, but it's actually a pretty steep drive, and it's slick. I'm standing below it, so it doesn't look like much.
Henig on.
Right down that sucker. They want me to go up that left side one right there. We'll see.
what's in the back of the Willys? That's just a limited slip, right?
That one wheel did a little bit on you. You got all four taken down. Damn, you'd think he'd go. There's 4 tires smoking. Wouldn't that be enough traction?
You'd think so. Unhook that cable that you got tied to the tree bed. Unhook the camper. You want me to come down and look?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Waiting for you for about 5 minutes. I'm waiting for someone else. You're the spotter, man.
I thought he had it.
You need to back out and get all the way over to this side, maybe? I think there's just no traction left there.
How far could I roll back to bump this? Because
3 inches, maybe?
Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's why I was just creeping.
Come back, passenger.
Oh, I need hydro assist.
Try it there.
Ooh, that's getting light. A little on the tippy side, but.
I think we should hook up your winch line up here. Otherwise,
Oh, we're winching.
you gotta come this way. You win.
Well, we hooked up line because I'm sitting here very precariously, about to tip over. It's so snotty here, I kind of turned sideways, so. Let's see what happens here.
His front wheel's in the air. Hey, driver.
Alright, got me straightened around now. This is like super steep. Should be able to get the rest of this though. Okay, so that was definitely interesting. I almost flopped it, so we had to pull line to keep it from rolling over, but otherwise it was a pretty fun little hill. It's kind of an optional one, but surprisingly the only other person that tried it was the Willys, and he made it up.
If there was one thing about SMORR that I was a little bit disappointed with, it was a lot of these trails were rated as 3, which is difficult, and they had basically 0 obstacles on them. I don't even know where they got their rating from, maybe just from the really steep climbs and descents that they had, and that's why they rated them that way. I'm not sure, but that's why a lot of these trails just kind of look like gravel roads, and it's a little bit disappointing to have like 1 obstacle and then a half hour of gravel, but we still had a lot of fun.
So we hopped on another trail called Turkey Trot. It's a 3. We're pretty much sticking to 3s today because some of these Jeeps in the group aren't overly built and it's so muddy and stuff. The 4s, I don't feel like our whole group can get through the 4s. We're just out here to have fun anyway. So we're checking out this Turkey Trot loop, and there's a tougher trail that intersects it up here that we're gonna take a look at. I think it's called Deadbeat, and then there's some really gnarly buggy lines that aren't far from here, and we might walk our way down to those and just take a look at them, see if we can catch somebody doing them. And this is where hydro assist would be nice. Pulling cable again. Got myself turtled back here. Pivoting around and my tires are hanging. Can't go nowhere. So yeah, I've been on the winch like 2 or 3 times today, and once was because I turned into a boat anchor down here. Don't really see any damage anywhere. So it's probably just sitting right on that lip. Maybe I'll look into a shave kit, but so far everything else looks like it's holding up good. That seal I did before I left home is holding, no drips. Traction bar, everything looks good there. So yeah, we're just taking a little break, figuring out which way we're going next. So I didn't get time to hook up my in-cab winch switches, so I'm running my winch cable through here. I did this last summer. I took the box off of the winch, took the solenoid out, mounted it inside the fender, and then I put this plug here with the cap so that I had somewhere to plug it in, but I just didn't want that big box on here blocking any more airflow. So when I get home, my old winch, I had a switch so I could control it from in here, and I just haven't figured out the wiring yet because it's different from my old winch. But we'll get to it. Just like I don't have that hooked up yet, I'm having to manually turn on my compressor to get air from my locker. So like right now I'm at 80. Probably better air it back up a little bit.
Being our 3rd day of wheeling, I was almost out of gas, and my Jeep was getting the death wobble real bad out on the street. So we threw the jerry can in the Willys and rode up to town to fuel up. And I gotta say, I really loved going for a ride in this thing, and it's kind of making me want to buy one.
Yeah.
I'd say go a little driver, Josh, so he doesn't fall in this hole here. Damn.
Wasn't enough all at once.
Load it and then send it.
You want to pull a winch, rock? I'm a little nervous about the back and down. I don't want to back down. Shame in that.
I think if he bounces, why is it bouncing so bad?
He wasn't freaking close enough to that tree. He never wants to get close to the trees. Gotta rub them fucking trees a little bit faster.
There you go. Now come back, passenger. Now. Nope. You want to pull a winch? This thing just keeps jumping.
He's got to get a little more momentum, maybe. I don't know.
Try it once
There's
more.
a fucking stump here and a stump there.
Oh, so he's just square. Don't go back any
I
farther.
was trying to get him on this side of the stump.
You could try it once from there if you want. Because you're gonna run out of wind.
Thing is, if he gets too far this way, that tire's gonna climb high, and this one hadn't hit nothing yet.
Yeah.
Oh.
Right now. Straighten out more. There you go. Back up a little more. There. Try it again. Don't talk. I think that's winch time already.
Yep. I think you're done.
If you go any further that way,
Holy shit.
Did you get that?
I got it. At least we'll have something to laugh at later around beer.
I just about flopped the Jeep again and now we're going up Armadillo Pass. Kind of running low on storage and battery and all kinds of stuff.
I think it's written on a cave wall somewhere that you cannot go wheeling with your buddies without stopping and taking a group photo somewhere.
Almost like a walking stick, but it's not a walking stick. Those things are creepy looking too.
He's not doing his normal walk though.
It's not even walking, he's just tapping around.
I know, but usually they go like
Oh,
that.
there he goes. What do you do?
Boing.
Don't put a finger on me. I don't like bugs.
I'll eat him for $1.
For $1. Alright, I'm recording though.
No, I don't want to kill him. I like inchworms. And that's going to be a wrap for this one. We've finished up our Southern Missouri Offroad Ranch trip. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video, check out some of my other stuff, and see you next time.